crispy fried shrimp.
Oh, so good.
Oh, so good.
Oh, so good.
No heavy batter.
Oh, so good.
No need to hide the...
You know, when I was 13 years old, my first job was a busboy at an Italian restaurant here in Las Vegas called Filippo's. And old man Filippo, I used to watch him make fried shrimp. And he did it in such a unique way. No heavy batter, no heavy breading, just crispy, delicious fried shrimp loaded with the flavor of the shrimp, not the breading. I'm showing you how to do it next year on Buzz Cooks, so let's get started.
Neighborhood bistro in old Las Vegas town, where the oil was hot and the shrimp turned golden brown.
All right, before we get into this shrimp, let's get the sauces made. Okay, we're going to use about 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1 heaping tablespoon of horseradish sauce, a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes of Tabasco sauce, and a splash of lemon juice. And we're going to mix this up real good. Now I like it a little kick to it, so this is my recipe. If you don't like it with the kick, cut back on the Tabasco, cut back on the horseradish sauce. And it'll still make an amazing first-class cocktail sauce that you're going to love. Alright, so we'll get that mixed up, and we'll put that in the fridge. And then we're going to make also a homemade tartar sauce that is also super easy to make. And for that we're going to need mayonnaise, dill relish, dill seasoning, lemon juice, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So we'll start off with 2 tablespoons of dill relish, about 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, and we're going to come with some Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes, and then some dill seasoning and a splash of lemon juice. I guess we did the lemon juice first, so now we'll come back with the dill seasoning. About a teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon, more like it. And again, we'll give it a good mix up and give it a taste. And if it's satisfying to you, leave it the way it is. If you need a little bit more dill seasoning or a little more mayonnaise, add as you go to your flavor. But this is, again, how I like it. So we'll put this in the refrigerator as well. And then we're going to get started on our shrimp. So I've got about 1 pound of jumbo shrimp. And the tails are on, but the shells are off. So first thing we're going to do is get a little tray and just put some all-purpose flour inside of that tray. And then we're going to need 1 bowl of warm water. So I got my fryer out to 375, and we got our shrimp. We dust it into the flour, dust it off, quick splash into the warm water, and then immediately into the fryer. So again, dust the shrimp with flour, take off any excess flour, quick dip in the warm water, drain off the water, right into the fryer, and that is a super light, will be super crispy coating on these shrimp. You're actually going to taste the shrimp. You're not going to taste all the breading and all the batter and all that garbage that you normally get if you go out for fried shrimp. Look how crisp. I mean, you can actually see the shrimp through the coating. So you get such a thin layer of amazing coating to make it crispy. I'm telling you, these are the best fried shrimp you're ever going to make. Serve it with the sauce, and everybody's going to love these. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you every Sunday, every Wednesday on Buzz Cooks.
Oh, so good.
No need to hide that flavor, let that shrimp shine. Today Buzz Cooks is showing you the way. Light and crisp shrimp, the kind that makes your whole day. A quick and easy recipe to help you through. A little kitchen secret Buzz learned way back when he was just starting out.